Hey there, followers on YouTube, Facebook, social media. My name is Jonathan, or Tuan, and I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Office. In particular, we're going to be working with Microsoft Word today. Chào hết, chào tất cả, tôi tên là Tuấn. Hôm nay mình dùng Microsoft Office. Hay Microsoft Word cho mình làm dùng máy tính cho typing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom left hand of the screen, and until you hover the mouse over the start button, mình đi vô xuống ở phía trái, mình click vô cái Windows button, mình type in the search bar WRORD Word. Mình click vô cái Word app. Hey, click, or we're going to click on the Word app here. Let the splash screen run, and then click on blank document. There are several templates that you can use over here if you like to use templates for a resume, for a paper, for a document, etc., etc. Mình kiếm cái template cho cái resume hay cái paper, mình viết cái tờ giấy hay essay. So I'm going to go to the blank document here, and on top you'll see File. You'll see Word, Document 1, Word, of course. You'll see File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, Help. And the first thing that we can do is we see this blank page over here. Mình thấy cái tờ giấy ở trên cái screen này mà mình không có viết xuống trước. Mình we can select the font. Mình select cái font được. Tôi thích Calibri. I like the Calibri font. You can select the font size. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I like 12. And I'm going to type in my name. Mình viết xuống cái tên của mình. Jonathan Tuan Tran. Today's date is September 25th, 2025. This is for San Jose Public Library, Tully branch, and we're gonna say that this is for computer literacy course. Okay, and then mình viết xuống cái tên mình, cái ngày mình, cái ngày hôm nay, như cái tên San Jose Public Library, Tully branch, or Vietnam Town, San Jose, or Vietnam Town, computer literacy course, etc., etc. I hope that makes sense. And thank you for tuning in to this episode of Microsoft Word, recorded on Camtasia with Jonathan Tuan Tran, or Tuan. So thank you.